Hey friends, if you wish to edit PDFs using Microsoft Edge's built-in PDF editor, then please watch this video. For the sake of this example, I will save this document as a PDF on the desktop. Okay, so I will save it as a PDF and then I will save it. Okay, then I'll go to the desktop. I'll close this one, save it and then close it. Okay, and then we will try to open the PDF file. So I'll double click and open the PDF file in Microsoft Edge. See, the second you open a PDF file in Microsoft Edge, it is very different from opening a website. When you open a website, you have limited options on the top. But when you open a PDF, you'll get all of these options to mark it, draw something here, and then use an eraser or use a text box or ask Copilot, which I don't like. And then you can translate anything that is written here. Let's say that I want to translate this text. Okay. So I can pick this text and pick what do we say, translate it there. Okay, and then translate it to, let's say, some other language, Bosnian, if it can do that. See, it has translated. And then obviously I can print, save, and save as. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.